Found that way. About a good friend did. You know what I'm saying? Watch my wifey's dishes. Treat me good. Treat him good. We in the hood. On my grill. This is something Kettle does 5 something in the morning. Makes a little less on her in the morning. Good deal. Okay. Alright. Alright, I'm finna jam. Holla at you, YouTube. Last video of the day. On time. About to wash these dishes. Put on some jams while I'm doing it. On. Holla at y'all though. Hit me up. Careful. Freestyle. Whatever.